Okay, so today we will do problem on product method. First problem today. Question is same, differentiate the following functions in discrete ways. Differentiate the following functions with respect to x. Okay. After that, first question, x square into sin x. Okay. So first what I will do, let y is equal to. Okay. Then I will apply d by dx on both the sides. D by dx is applied both sides. So what happens? This will become dy by dx. Now here first term as it is differentiation of second term plus this one as it is second term as it is differentiation of first term. That one. It is very easy. Product method UV or you can say first term second term. First term as it is differentiation of second term plus second term as it is differentiation of first term. Okay. Now this x square is carried on as it is. Now d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x plus sin x as it is. D by dx of x square is what? X raised to n formula. Last time I told you. N times x raised to n minus 1. Here my n is 2. 2 times x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 now. That's why it will become 2x. So d by dx of x square is 2x. So if you want we can rewrite it as x square cos x plus we will multiply 2x. Don't multiply this one. Sin x into 2x is not sin 2x square. It is wrong. This is different, this is different. So it will be the rest 2x into sin x. Because some students they write it sin x into 2x, they write it as sin 2x square, they write it is wrong. This is different, you have to write it here into this. Outer you have to multiply, not inside here. Okay? So this was a very simple problem. Next is x cube cos x. X cube cos x. Again, let y is equal to. Okay? You apply d by dx on both the sides. Then dy by dx is equal to first term as it is x cube d by dx of cos x, then plus cos x as it is d by dx of x cube. Okay. So next that we want dy by dx is equal to this x cube as it is. Okay. This x cube as it is d by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x. X cube in bracket minus sin x plus cos x as it is d by dx of x cube is what? I said again x raised to n is what? N times x raised to n minus 1. Here my n is 3. 3 times x raised to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. That's why it will become 3x square. So d by dx of x cube is 3x. So I multiply now x cube into minus x cube sin x plus 3x square cos x. Okay. Next, third one. Square root of x into the ratio x. Okay. Again, let y is equal to root x into 3. So d by dx of y. Next again dy by dx. First term as it is d by dx of second term plus second term as it is d by dx of root x. So root x as it is d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is d by dx of root x is what? 1 upon 2 root x. E raised to x is e raised to x. Root x is 1 upon 2 root x. You can keep it as it is. Okay? Next. X square plus 1 into tan x. Otherwise, we will do this one. E raised to x sin x. 2 upon e raised to x sin x. Let y is equal to e raised to x sin x. Okay? We will apply d by dx on both the sides. So what will happen? dy by dx is equal to first term as it is differentiation of second term plus second term as it is differentiation of first term. Okay? I will write it out. This I will write it here. dy by dx is equal to e raised to x as it is d by dx of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x. You can keep the answer at this stage also, otherwise you can take e raised to x common. Cos x plus sin x. Okay? You can go through the problem. Okay? And wrap it. Next, root x into log x. Okay, again let y is equal to root x log x. Then apply d by dx on both the sides. So dy by dx is equal to first term as it is d by dx of log x plus log x as it is d by dx of root x. So root x d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus log x d by dx of root x is what? 1 upon 2 root x. So you can keep it as it is. Otherwise you can simplify also, no need of simplification. So again here first term as it is differentiation of second term plus second term as it is differentiation of first term. You have to give chance to each one of them now. Then root x as it is d by dx of log x is 1 by x from the formula. Log x as it is d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay? Next, sixth one. X cube into cot x. Okay, again, let y is equal to x cube cot x d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of x cube into cot x. So I will write it carefully one more step. dy by dx is equal to first term as it is differentiation of second term plus second term as it is d by dx of x cube. So dy by dx is equal to x cube as it is differentiation of cot x is what minus cos x square x plus cot x as it is differentiation of x cube is what 3x square. Again if you want we can rewrite it as minus x cube into cos x square x plus 3x square into cot x. Okay, that is how it is. Next, x raised to 7 into y raised to 7. X raised to 7 into 7 raised to x. So again, let y is equal to x raised to 7 into 7 raised to x. So d by dx of y x raised to 7 into 7 raised to x. So dy by dx, first term as it is d by dx of 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to x d by dx of x raised to 7. So what happens here? X raised to 7 as it is. Now d by dx of 7 raised to x is what? In the formula I have given see a raised to x. D by dx of a raised to x is what? A raised to x log a. Here a is your 7. So a raised to x into log a means 7 raised to x into log 7. This will be 7 raised to x log 7 plus as it is. This will become what? X raised to 7 means x raised to n. N is your 7. N times x into x raised to n minus 1. That is 7 times x raised to 7 minus 1. So I will rewrite it. I will say this as 7 raised to x log 7 x raised to 7 plus 7 into 7 raised to x into 7 x raised to 6. 7 minus 1. You can keep it as it is if you want. You can have common. This is common. Here also you get common. If you want, we can write it this way. 7 raised to x is one common. Then x raised to 6 I can take common. So remains what here? This is outside. Log 7 will remain and 6 is outside means 1x will remain. X log 7 plus here what remains? 7 remains. That's all. Otherwise you can solve the answer here also. Okay? I will try to do one more problem here. In this space. That is 5 raised to x into tan x. Let y is equal to 5 raised to x tan x. So d by dx of y equal to d by dx of 5 raised to x tan x. Okay? So now this is d by dx. First term as it is d by dx of tan x. Okay? Plus tan x as it is d by dx of 5 raised to x. Is equal to 5 raised to x as it is. Differentiation of tan x is what? X square x. This plus I will write it here below. Tan x as it is. Again d by dx of 5 raised to x. 5 raised to x is what? A raised to x like. Okay? It will become what? 5 raised to x into log 1. This is the answer. If you want again here, you can take out common 5 raised to x and write it. No need, just to write it down. Okay? So this way the problems will be on product method. Still more will do. You can go through it. Yeah, you can go through it and I see some more problems are there. Okay. So rub it. X square plus 1 into tan x. Okay. So let y is equal to, we'll consider this, you can multiply it or do it, don't go that way. We'll consider this as one term and this as second term. U, V. Okay. So we'll apply d by dx on both the sides. First term as it is, second term. Okay. Now dy by dx. First term as it is, d by dx of second term plus tan x as it is, d by dx of x square plus 1. So is equal to x square plus 1 as it is, d by dx of tan x is what? X square plus tan x as it is, d by dx. Now here d by dx of x square is what? 2x. d by dx of x square is 2x. Plus is there. There is no need to write, but still I am writing there. Plus d by dx of 1 is what? 0. It is 0. That's why there is no need to write. But as it is the first form I am showing you. Next what happens? This is as it is, x square plus 1 into x square x plus 2x plus 0 is 2x, only 2x tan x. Okay. Next is 3x square minus 4x plus 1 e raised to x. So again what you do, you treat this round bracket as one term and e raised to x as second term, that is u, v. So let always assign, let y is equal to, then we will apply d by dx on both the sides. Then what? dy by dx. Okay. Now d by dx of this first term as it is this bracket, d by dx of e raised to x. So 3x square minus 4x plus 1 as it is, d by dx of e raised to x. d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is, d by dx of this 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay. Now this bracket as it is, d by dx of e raised to x is 3 raised to x plus e raised to x as it is. Now here I open on square bracket. Now listen carefully. d by dx of 3x square. 3 is constant. I will write it as it is. d by dx of x square is what? 2x. I will write in a small number 2x minus again 4x is there. d by dx minus 4 is a constant. d by dx of x is what? 1 plus d by dx of 1 is what? 0. Okay. So next what I will do in this, I will take out e raised to x common and I will write it this way. 3x square minus 4x plus 1 plus 3 into 2, 6x plus into minus is minus, 4 into 1 is 2, that is 0 below bracket. So what will you get here? 3x square minus 4x plus 6x is plus 2x 3x square, 3 I have kept as it is. D by dx of x square is 2x. With the bracket I have. Then minus 4 is a constant. D by dx of x is what? 1. Plus d by dx of 1 is 0. Okay. Then later on what I have done in this step, I have taken e raised to x common here. And open a square bracket, 3x square minus 4x plus 1 plus 3 into 2, 6x plus into minus 4. Okay. So then minus 4x plus 6x will get plus 2x. 1 minus 4 is minus 4. That's it. Okay. Next. Next is with a big sum. 2x cos x. Okay, we will do this one. 2x cos x plus x square sin x. Okay. So let y is equal to 2x cos x plus x square sin x. So we are having here uv, again here uv. Got it? Now we will apply d by dx on both the sides. We will apply separately d by dx of 2x cos x plus d by dx of x square sin x. Okay. So now dy by dx is equal to first bracket 2x is the first term as it is, d by dx of cos x plus cos x as it is, d by dx of 2x over next this one plus x square as it is, d by dx of sin x plus sin x as it is, d by dx of x square. Next 2x as it is, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x as it is, d by dx of 2x. 2 is a constant, d by dx of x is 1. It will become 2 into 1. Okay. Plus next x square as it is, sin x will become cos x plus sin x as it is, d by dx of x square will become 2x. Okay. Now what we will do, we will multiply and rewrite it again. Here minus 2x sin x plus 2 into cos x, okay, plus x square cos x, then plus 2x sin x, okay, is equal to minus 2x sin x plus 2 sin x will get cancelled. So we are left with 2 cos x plus x square cos x. If you want, you can take cos x also common, you can write in the bracket 2 plus x square. Instead of that, we will write as it is 2 cos x. So it was what? Sum of two product it was. So in the bracket I have done it. Then I opened the bracket. Got it? That's all. Okay, again you go through the problem a little bit, then I will run it. Okay, now we'll do with three terms u, v, w. I think 11 was over 12. X e raised to x sin x. Here u, v, w, three things are given. Na? So first step is what? Let y is equal d by dx of y. Okay, now dy by dx. Now what we will do here, three things are there. We'll keep two things as it is, we'll differentiate the third one. So that way we'll go in the cyclic order. So first two terms as it is, d by dx of sin x. Fine. Plus, now what I will do, x sin x I keep it as it is, then I will differentiate the second term, e raised to x. Okay. Plus, here sin x, e raised to x, both are differentiated now, the term of this one is first term. So I will keep e raised to x sin x as it is, d by dx of x. You can go away anyhow. Okay, got it? At a time, two things will remain as it is, the third one will be differentiated. That much you keep it in a cyclic order. Now next step is what? X e raised to x as it is, d by dx of sin x is cos x, plus x sin x as it is, d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, next, plus e raised to x sin x as it is, d by dx of x is what? 1. So it is over. If you want, we can take e raised to x common. E raised to x, if I take common, it will be what? X cos x plus x sin x plus sin x. This comes. Okay. Got it? U, v, w. I am keeping what? U, v as it is. I am differentiating w. Otherwise, you can say first term, second term, third term. First two terms as it is, differentiation of third term, plus first term, third term as it is, differentiation of second term. Next, plus second and third term as it is, differentiation of first term. So all should be given chance, I said now. Then after that, first two terms as it is, differentiation of this is this. Again these two terms as it is, differentiation of this is this. Again as it is, d by dx is 1. Okay, we'll do one more in this, then we'll go with the other thing. Next, x e raised to x sec x. Otherwise we'll do this one. 13. 1 plus ax into 1 plus dx into 1 plus cx. Okay, again let y is equal to. So apply d by dx from this side. Now what? Divide by dx. First two terms are given as it is. D by dx of third term. Okay, I write it down. Plus now second and first and third term I keep it as d by dx of second term. First and third as it is, d by dx of second term. Next, plus second and third term as it is, differentiation of first term. Okay, that way I have done. See here, first two terms as it is, differentiation of third term, plus first term and third term as it is, differentiation of second term. Next, second and third term as it is, differentiation of first term. Now what we will do, we will write this one as it is, will not multiply. Now d by dx of 1 is what? 0 plus c is a constant, d by dx of x is what? 1. Next 1 plus ax into 1 plus cx. Again d by dx of 1 is 0 plus b is constant, d by dx of 1 x is 1. Next 1 plus dx into 1 plus cx. Again d by dx of 1 is 0 plus a as it is constant, x is 1. That's it. If you want, we can simplify again by writing what? Now say 0 plus c is c only, na? We will write here c times 1 plus ax into 1 plus bx plus b times 1 plus ax into 1 plus cx. Okay, next plus a times, I'll write here, a times 1 plus bx into 1 plus cx. Got it? This is how it is. You can go through the two problems. You need the blue. Okay, now we do problem on u by v. Shall I write? I'll show you one more problem also. X e raised to x sec x. Then y is equal to x e raised to x sec x. d by dx of y. X e raised to x where it is d by dx of sec x plus, okay, third term I am doing. Now I want to do first and second term, third term I will take, second term I will take. Plus e raised to x sec x as it is d by dx of x. X e raised to x d by dx of sec x is what? Sec x times plus x into sec x as it is d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x sec x d by dx of x is 1. This much only you can keep it. Okay? No need to simplify. I'll rub this side. Good job. Next problem, 15. X square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll say let y is equal to. I'll put this in the round bracket. And I make this as one term and this as another. This is u and this is v. So this problem will be solved by uv method. That is quotient method. Next step what I'll do, I'll apply d by dx on the other side. D by dx of y is equal to d by dx of x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Okay. Now how the formula goes? This is dy by x. Always you write this denominator square. Denominator as it is differentiation of numerator. Okay. Minus lower bracket, just interchange it. This will remain as it is d by dx of this. Close the problem. I hope you have understood. See, brackets were not given. I have put a bracket and made it as one term and this is another term. One numerator term and one denominator. So u by d method. Denominator square, I have d by dx, denominator square. Denominator as it is differentiation of numerator. Minus lower bracket, you interchange it. This will remain as it is numerator d by dx of denominator. Next we will simplify. X square plus 1 as it is in square bracket of d by dx of x square is what? 2x minus d by dx of 1 is 0. Again lower bracket open. X square minus 1 is again d by dx of x square is 2x, 1 is 0. Whole thing divided by whole square. Next what I will do is, see here 2x minus 0 is 2x only, 2x plus 0 is also 2x. What I do, instead of multiplying, I will take 2x common here and 2x will common. I will take it out. In one big square bracket, what is x square plus 1? 2x into this is this much, no? Now minus. I open this round bracket. This 2x is outside here. Minus x square, minus into minus, plus 1. Whole thing divided by. So what happens here? Here plus x square minus x square goes 1 plus 1 2. So 2 into 2 is 4x. That is done. Got it? Instead of multiplying individually, what I did, I took 2x common. Then I opened this bracket x square plus 1 minus x square minus of minus plus 1. Got it? Okay? You can go through it. Then we will continue. This is u by v method. Okay, now we continue. I'll drop this one. Same way now, a square plus x square. Okay, instead of 1, here a is written. Okay, so again what? Let y is equal to, while writing it, I will make it in a bracket. Then we will apply d by dx on both the sides. Denominator square. denominator as it is d by dx of numerator minus lower bracket, okay, a square plus x square as it is d by dx of this, okay. I'll close the lower bracket. Now what I have done, u by v square, v as it is d by dx of u minus u as it is d by dx of v. So now a square minus x square as it is. Next, d by dx of a square is 0, constant it is, plus d by dx of x square is 2x, okay, minus lower bracket I open again, this one as it is, d by dx of a square is 0 minus x square is 2x, whole thing divided by a square minus x square. Now here again 2x is common. This minus we will leave it to this. When we open the lower bracket, it will become plus. Okay. Again I will take out 2x common. So what is that? A square minus x square. Next, this minus and this minus. Minus into minus, it is plus, and this will be a square plus x square. Next, minus x square plus x square goes, a square plus a square is 2a square, divided by a square minus x square whole square. Okay. Next, I will drop this and I will write the final answer. So 2x into 2a square is 4a square x. 4a square x divided by a square minus x square whole square. See, again I will explain the problem. U by v method. Okay, v square, v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v. After that, this is carry forward as it is d by dx of a square. A square is a constant, that's why it is 0, plus sign. D by dx of x square 2x, okay, close the bracket, minus lower bracket is open, a square plus x square as it is. Again d by dx of a square is 0 minus d by dx of x square is 2x. Then what I have done, 2x I have taken common, and this minus sign, when I open this lower bracket, this minus into this minus, it has become plus here. Got it? Then I have taken 2x outside in the bracket. What I have done, a square minus x square, minus into minus plus a square plus x square, minus x square plus x square get cancelled. A square plus a square is 2a square into this 2x, that will become 4a square x upon that. Got it? Okay. Next, 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. Again, I'll write let y equal to, write the brackets. I'll make it as 1 now. Then d by dx of y. Okay. Next, we'll apply the formula u by v dy by dx is equal to denominator square 1 plus sin x d by dx of numerator minus lower bracket open, this will be put as it is d by dx of this one 1 plus sin x. Okay, so 1 plus sin x as it is, d by dx of 1 is 0 minus sin x will become cos x. Close the bracket, lower bracket open again, 1 minus sin x as it is, d by dx of 1 is 0 plus sin x will become cos x, whole thing divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Here again it is same. Denominator square, denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus, open up lower bracket, numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. Okay. Now this one I have kept it as it is. D by dx of 1 is 0, minus and minus you write down. D by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. Close the square bracket. Minus this as it is, again square bracket. D by dx of 1 is 0 plus d by dx of sin x is cos x. Next what I will do? Again I will take out here cos x I will take common instead of multiplying. Otherwise if you want in this problem I will multiply and show you. I will write it here. Will not be a confusion. Okay. I will write it here. dy by dx. Okay. This problem what I will do? I will not take sin x common, cos x common. I can take it, but I will not. I will show you with the multiple. 1 into 0 is 0. Don't write. 1 into minus cos x. Minus cos x. Okay. Plus sin x into 0 is 0. Plus sin x into minus is minus sin x cos x. Okay. Okay. Better I will do it that side because denominator I must be able to write. I love this one. Here 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into minus cos x is minus cos x. Then sin x into 0 is 0, plus sin x into minus cos x is minus sin x cos x. Okay. Then I will come over here. Plus cos x into 1 is plus cos x. I am opening this lower bracket. Minus into plus is minus cos x. Next, minus sin x into plus cos x is minus sin x cos x, but this minus sign comes inside, it will become plus sin x cos x. Whole thing divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. So what happens here? This and this will go. Minus cos x will remain. Minus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. There you go. Okay. So these are the simple straightforward problems of it. Next we will do with 1 plus sin x. We end the class here.